you're going to need a number 5 keyway, a Phillips head screwdriver, and possibly some channel locks. First step, we need to reverse the wires on either side of this fuse. So there's a short light lead there, and there's a longer lead here. We just need to change directions. Open up the fuse holder like you just saw me pry open, and loosen the set screws on either side. The wire will just pop right out. And all we're doing is moving the wires from one side to the other side, just to give us a little bit more room with our leads. All right, now you're going to take your battery clamps and just mount them on the studs. You can actually close your fuse holder right now to get it out of your way. Just stick the holder over the middle of the fuse, and you can close it. And then to your positive side goes the short lead, the red lead, and the brown lead. To your negative side goes the large black lead off the top of the solenoid, and the black lead off the side of the battery charger. You then need to make sure that your battery post clamps are tight right here, and that your hold down for your terminal strip, or your terminal screw rather, is also tight. You then need to put the battery clamp bracket back in, and you'll see that as soon as you take the battery cover off.